Welcome to Telarus Agent Training, Lesson 1. This lesson will introduce you to the award-winning Telarus Agent Backoffice, show you where to go to find help, and how to request pricing from Telarus for any of our many carrier suppliers. To get started, simply point your internet browser to agent.telarus.com. Enter your username and password that you used when you signed up, and you'll be well on your way. This is the front page of the Telarus Agent Backoffice. And as you can see here, there is a lot going on this web page. But do not fear, the purpose of today's training is to start slow and teach you the most important things first. The most important part of this Backoffice web page is located at the very bottom of the page. This is where you'll find your Telarus Agent Manager. This is the person responsible for your success and making sure you have everything you need. If there's ever anything in this back office that you cannot find or you need assistance with, please feel free to reach out to your Telarus channel manager first and foremost. Now, to get help with specific issues, we've got agent support. Click this button if you have problems with pricing errors, commission issues, or even to leave a suggestion on how we can improve the system. Simply scroll down to this area here, select the item that you would like to report, and type your message and click Submit. It's that easy. That will create what we call a trouble ticket and send it to the appropriate person on staff here at Telarus responsible for addressing those issues. Now, during the course of your business, you may need to get in contact with a vendor directly. To find their contact information, simply click on this Vendor Contacts tab here at the very bottom of the main navigation menu. On this page, you'll find all of our carriers listed in alphabetical order, the channel manager's name, the phone number, and further contact information. So for example, you need help with Megapath, simply click on the Megapath icon here, and you will see our channel manager's information, email address, phone number, even their cell phone in many instances, so you can get in contact with them as quickly as possible. Now, as you may know, Telarus is extremely automated. We've created lots of tools to help you find pricing in real time. But to get started, we're going to start with the basics, and that is the Easy button. If you have a deal and would like a price, simply come here, type in the customer's name, type in what the customer needs, and hit Submit. It's just that easy. Now that you know how to do the easy things, I'm going to show you how to do some of the medium hard things. I wouldn't say advanced just yet. Let's start with a customer record. After you create a customer record using the Easy button, or in other ways which we will show you later, here is where you go for help. At the top you'll see Solution Requests. This is your key to asking for help for this particular customer. All you need to do is click on Add, type in your information, and hit Submit. What this will do is it will create a ticket in our system so that we know that you need help and so that we can answer your question quickly and correctly. And last but not least, I'd like to show you around the actual front page where we began this training. Over here on the left, you'll find the navigation menu. Everything in this entire back office can be found linked through this side navigation menu. Now, the Agent Backoffice is divided into 6 key areas. Customer Management, where we house all of your customer records that you place with us. The VAR program, where you can add and access information regarding value-added resellers in our VAR program. GeoQuote, where you can run quotes for new customers. Training, where you can access our vast archive of training materials, training calls, and training video recordings. Marketing, when you can find everything you need to market both on the internet as well as off the internet. Reports, so you can find exactly what it is you're doing in our system, most notably commission reports. Now, below the main navigation, you'll notice the Easy button. We talked about that previously. If you've got a deal and you need help, click on that Easy button and you'll be well on your way. Next, we have a Promotions button. If you click on that button, it will take you to a page that shows you an up-to-date copy of all of the spiffs and promotions that are going on with our carriers right now. Underneath that, you'll see the financial dashboard. This is where we show you how much sales you've made this month and what your last month's check is, along with a link to the Telarus Agent Rewards program. Here in the middle of the page, you'll notice the inbox. The inbox is a repository of all the newest customer records that have been entered into the system. In order to process these, all you do is come over here and click on the Accept button. Once you accept a lead from your inbox, it will be brought here to the Accepted Leads category. This is just one of many categories that are part of the sales funnel that we've built into our CRM. Next, we have manual quote requests. Manual quote requests are placed when you're looking at a quote and you need manual pricing or manual verification. And this area here is where those updates show up. Next on the page, we have solution requests. These are the solution requests that you request help on, whether it's through the Easy button or through the customer record itself. As you'll remember, we entered a solution request on our Acme Hospital services, and I said I need help with this customer. This is where I can get updates on those solution requests that I sent in. Next, I've got orders pending activation. Once I submit orders to Telarus, through this panel right here, will be able to view updates from vendors, see if the FOC date has changed, see if the order's been accepted or rejected by the carrier, whatever the situation may be. Next, we have the quick reference guide to Telarus. We have links to our Facebook page, our Twitter account, again, another link to the promotion and spiffs, the Telarus carrier contacts that I showed you earlier, the complete product matrix. If you ever wonder if Telarus can sell a solution or a specific product, please come and click this button and check it out. And then lastly, marketing help, which links to the Internet Marketing Summary, where we show you a complete menu of everything that we have to offer you in the world of marketing. And now, onto the right side of the page, beginning with the Graveyard Update. This is a place where we list all of the accounts that were, well, billing and earning you commission that have stopped, whether it's due to customer inactivity, lack of payment, or the customer just opting for a different service provider. This is where we list those accounts so that you always know what's going on with your business. Next, we have a consolidated task view. This is where we bring the most current tasks, even past due tasks, to the forefront so that you can see them and they can be on your mind. You set these tasks in the customer records themselves. Now, below the Task Manager, you'll see that we have a list of upcoming training events. Notably, the weekly training sponsored by Telarus, as well as other carrier-sponsored trainings, which, in some cases, are specifically for Telarus agents. To view the complete schedule, simply click here and you'll see that there is no shortage of training opportunities available to you here at Telarus. Next, you'll notice a list of spiff carriers. These, of course, are lists of carriers that are offering spiffs this month. Of course, to view the details, simply click on Details. And last but not least, we have the latest updates, which literally is a syndication of our Twitter feed. And that concludes Lesson 1. Congratulations, you made it all the way through. Lesson 2 is an exciting lesson. We will talk about how to create customer records, how to run quotes, and how to request paperwork, some of the things that are essential to running your business with Telarus. Thank you very much. This is Patrick Oborn. It's been my pleasure going through this training with you, and we'll see you on the next training. Bye-bye.